This is a real situation. It really happened. There was Mr. Ram, who was the regional head of this particular bank. He had resigned. The bank asked him to recommend a successor. Immediately he thought of one Mala, who was the senior most and according to Ram, most deserving of his team. So he wanted to recommend her. He decided to check out her willingness. And what do you think happened when he went to talk to Mala? So she said, I can't do it. Well, anyone else? No. Why did you resign is what Mala asked. All right. Okay. See, there can be as many responses as there are men and women here. So we are just going to do a small role play to show you how it happened. Of course, we have edited it. And I am Ram. She is Mala. Good morning, Mala.
Good morning, Mr. Ram.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mr. Ram.
Let me come to the point, Mala. You know, I have resigned. I have to recommend somebody for my position. And I thought it must go to the most deserving person around here. I'm going to recommend you, Mala.
The regional head's post? Oh,
Yeah, of course.
that's nice. But lot of travel, I think.
Regional head, Mala, there will be travel. You have to go around the region.
Oh, I'm not really sure. I really don't know.
But, okay. You're not sure. All right. What did Ram do? So what happened was, this was actually a 10-minute conversation wherein Mala went on, I think, you think I could do that. I don't think, is there travel? Well, do you think I can handle that particular manager kind of thing? And finally, the signal she gave out was something based on which Ram instructed the bank to recruit another person thinking she is not interested. Now, what was Mala's reaction to this news that somebody else is being recruited? I repeat, this is a true case. Can anybody make a guess? She also resigned? Exactly. And you know, the bank didn't know what to do. Nobody had a clue. Most importantly, Ram had no clue. He was so confused. Resignation is such an emotional response to something like this. And you know, he absolutely had no idea. The fact of the matter was, she had not really said no. You know, she was just processing out, thinking around, and perhaps expecting a word of encouragement or a little push. Why is that? You know, women think aloud. What they communicate may not be, mostly it is not their final decision. Men are more direct in their conversation. They'll say what they think, you know, whatever. So what happened here is, Ram took Mala's statement at face value as confirmed decision. And what happened, the third one, the show of emotions, the resignation was her way of reacting. This man switched off. He said, okay, fine. If she wants to resign, yeah, that's it. I asked her, she said no, and now she wants to do this. It's nothing to do with me. So we have some suggestions. Women, please process information and emotions before talking aloud about that. It's something we can practice, we can do. And men, please give her the processing time. So please do understand that this is the way it is. And if not, what will happen is, the likes of Mala and Ram are bound to flourish and organizations stand to lose on this.